They're all wondering why the fuck we're going this way instead of leaving.
Oh, that's close to it.
Some of those dudes are cool. The other ones got attitudes.
Yeah, military boys yelling at attitudes. Middle of the road. Let's go.
Don't speed.
I have to stay at a constant speed. Means I have to blow the fucking stop sign too. Stop, I can suck air in. Pull me over from blowing that stop sign. I dare you, bro.
That's the least of your concerns right now.
We're in a high spot. Let's sit
Oh,
here for
shit.
a second. It's raining out. Tell me that ain't a motherfucking alligator.
It's not, it's a grass. I thought the same thing. I was gonna say, oh hell no. Just turned into some little foot in the mist.
Shit.
Oh!
Bro, I can't even see the fucking road.
Hit the fucking.
I'm literally driving by memory, bro.
Yeah, and it feels like you're getting way too far over.
Oh, I see the line now.
Do you? Because
Yeah,
I feel
I see it.
Okay, I see it too.
There you go.
Oh my god.
Gator.
Yeah, you better get the fuck out of the way.
All the doors feel it purred to lock.
Yeah.
We're gonna get robbed over here.
Oh my god.
It's crazy, dog.
All our noise effects are in this video. I'm just gonna say that right now. Get up here to this high spot and sit for a second.
My brakes are wet as fuck. I don't even know if I'll stop. There's June. Hey, June.